So I had pre-cut my strips, and now I'm having to use some liquid nails on the back side of them to help them adhere in place and not move, because stairs kind of float. And then using the brad nail gun that I got from Ryobi, which I highly recommend. It's a little heavy on my hands because of the big battery you have to use, but it's very doable, and it's a complete game changer to where you don't have to use the loud air compressor that takes 20 years off your freaking life, and you don't have all those hoses and cords. I mean, this is some next level construction easy application product.